I'm a bit tipsy, and ito, a cure for your tipsiness. Pochero Cebuano at F. Cabao Street in Cebu City. Go-to place ko, Kusina Klasika. So ito, ang pinupunta ko dito talaga, yung pochero. So, you will see what Cebuano pochero is. There is no other pochero as good as this. Ito talaga yung pochero of my childhood. The beef is slow cooked. That the litid is super tender and almost very silky. So, let's taste the soup. Sarap ng sabaw. There's a sweetness from the corn. Medyo matagal-tagal na to na restaurant, and it's been called the best pochero in Cebu for the last couple of years. Ang sarap nito with patis and calamansi. Nothing compares. Ito talaga yung best, in my opinion, in the whole Philippines. Kahit i-compare mo pa yung nasa Tagaytay or i-compare mo yung nasa Metro Manila. And it always comes with bamboo shoot. Oh. Ito yung bamboo shoot. Labong. And bakit fried rice yung partner ko? Kasi I had a boss before, pag kumakain siya ng ganito, fried rice. So, nasanay na rin ako kumain with fried rice. 2:00 na namading araw. Gumimik kasi si Francis.